how to start your 1952 Land Rover Series 1, which has been stopped for at least 3 months, let's say a little before Christmas. First of all, you connect the battery leads. This Land Rover original terminal is extremely practical. You just have to turn it a couple of times, check it, and there you go. First step. Then you check the oil level. It is perfect as usual. You should, if the car hasn't been stopped for a very long time, you should first wipe the level indicator and then insert it again. But as it's been stopped for a while, there is no issue or no doubt about its correct level, so I would not check it. Then the water level, supposedly you should turn it on, off, per se, or open it. There you go. You don't have the water. Hold the cap or turn it until it's very tight. Shut the bonnet. Insert the key in the ignition. Turn the ignition on. Both lights come on. Push the starter, the cold start button, till its end, and then press the start button. Of course, easy, isn't it? For a vehicle that's been stopped for 3 months and dates back to 1952, I don't know which, if ever, was the last time the engine was open. So there you go, quite easy, not totally unlike modern cars.